G'day! In today's video I've got a Toshiba external hard drive with the model number V6300. This is a 1TB drive. I want to open it up and see if I can hook up the hard drive directly to a computer, as I suspect that the USB port on here has failed. So I'm going to use a metal pry tool to get it started. And then I'm hopefully going to be able to remove the small little circuit board on there. So that's given me enough to start. Go. Nice and straightforward. This one does have a little circuit board here, so I'm hoping that the hard drive is okay. I'm going to plug that into a dock to read that. There we go. And then hopefully push on this. Maybe not. That pulls out like so. These little legs come off. If you're lucky, you can reuse this hard drive in another caddy. I'm going to plug this into a dock on a PC that connects via SATA to see if it works, and if it does, I will put this into another enclosure. If it doesn't, I'm just going to bag it up and call it a day, as data recovery is not something that I do. So you may be able to get away with putting this into a computer or putting it into a new enclosure, but if this makes a ticking noise or a grinding noise, it's probably the hard drive that has failed. Anyway, that will do. Bye.